Hello friends, I'm Chandran Iyer, editor and publisher of Corporate Tycoons magazine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Corporate Tourism, the channel that gives you 360-degree perspective about the travel business. The coronavirus pandemic has triggered unprecedented crisis in all sectors globally. One sector which this pandemic has devastated is tourism sector. Today, let us understand its effect on the $150 billion cruise sector, which is now on life support system. In fact, until recently, cruises were the fastest growing sector of the travel industry. But after the pandemic, many cruise companies have shut down. Let's have a look. This is Jalesh Karnika in the year 2019. The owners of this cruise had named it Karnika, meaning Apsara or celestial beauty. It was indeed a beauty when it started operations in India. It had everything to attract the travelers. A beautiful theatre, casino, food court, water park, bars and live music shows. This is the same cruise Jalesh Karnika rusting in the salty waters of Arabian Sea. Within 1 year, its beauty has eroded and it is awaiting to be sold as a scrap. Jalesh is the victim of corona pandemic. Before the pandemic, this is how Karnika looked from inside. I had the opportunity to travel in Karnika in April 2019 along with my wife. And I must say that it was a very memorable experience. But everything changed in the year 2020 when coronavirus made its entry into the world. On the 24th March 2020, the Government of India ordered a nationwide lockdown for 21 days to stop the spread of corona. It had a devastating effect on the tourism industry. As a result, Karnika began to rust in the sea waters. The company almost became bankrupt. As a result, Karnika was sent to Alang shipbreaking yard in Gujarat and it was ripped apart and dismantled as scrap. What happened to Karnika is not an isolated case. It happened to several cruise companies around the world in the year 2020 and it is worsening in the year 2021. Many cruise lines around the world are beaching on different shipbreaking yards to be dismantled as scraps. The global cruise industry consists of more than 50 cruise lines and over 270 ships. But the sector is dominated by three major players, which are all facing major losses until they can sail again. The pandemic has disrupted the aviation, railways, bus service, and all other road transports. It may need government support for reviving these industries, which are hit by the pandemic.
Well, my association ADTOI, we had high hopes and expectation from the government as the tourism sector shares 10% of the GDP and gives large number of employment all parts of the country. We requested through our apex body Faith for tax postponement and some other financial help. But we were disappointed. We as ADTOI would like to request the government to bring out some incentive in form of tax rebates to encourage the tourists to spend on holiday and to honor the speech of our respected Prime Minister that Indians to visit at least 5 new destinations in a year.
When will the travel industry see recovery and revival? Experts feel the recovery will be slow as new variants of corona are emerging and the government may continue travel bans. Hope for any economic recovery are pinned on the successful and quick rollout of COVID 19 vaccines all over the world. Till then, we have to keep our fingers crossed.